Good afternoon, America. Live from northern New England, coastal southern Maine. This is Frank Margell in Maine's largest city, Portland, Maine, on the corner of Riverside Street and Brighton Avenue on this Tuesday, March 13th, about 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And we are experiencing blizzard conditions, yes, hazardous weather, extreme driving and walking conditions, very slippery, very dangerous. This is a freelance video and you'll find it on the World Wide Web. And I want to thank all those who share my videos and respond in kind with upbeat comments. Again, thank you for your shares. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my web pages, and you will also find a copy of this video at Frank Margell at YouTube. Pardon me, at Frank Margell at frankmargell.com. Yes, and YouTube and Daily Motion as well. Yep. Again, these are just my comments and views out here in the public domain, and if I do strike a chord with you, please, if there is a comment page under my video, go right ahead and send me a comment and subscribe to my pages. Once again, I thank you very much. Well, what on earth am I doing out here? I wanted to get out and about today and show you the blizzard of March 12th and 13th. Yeah, of 2018. And the extreme weather will be continuing tonight. Let's go ahead and take a walk on Brighton Avenue, and I'll show you the busy traffic on Route 95. It's not very busy at all, and as you can see, the traffic on Brighton Avenue at 2 o'clock this afternoon is really slow going. The roads are really gunky, and we've received about 6 inches, give or take, but go ahead and check your facts. I always check my weather at the National Weather Service. I enjoy their website. I don't speak for them, but that's one place where you can get updates. And when I recently checked the National Weather Service, I did get some really interesting weather facts and some projections. But again, always check your facts. And let's go ahead and take a walk down here and we'll check out Interstate 95. Yes, the busiest interstate in coastal southern Maine. And we'll also see some driving conditions here in the big city of Portland, Maine, of course on Brighton Avenue. The last I checked, the snow accumulation projections for this blizzard is going to be anywhere from 12 to 18 inches, and that is because it's been snowing since yesterday. The blizzard conditions are going to continue tonight, but then there's going to be more snow, another 5 to 8 more, so it's really accumulating. And there's Interstate 95, and as you can see, traffic going north and south is slow going, but there's very little traffic. There's some trucks and a few passers-by. But it's terrible driving conditions. Of course, the schools are out. A lot of the roads that are being plowed are gunking up. There are several plow trucks out treating the roads, sanding, and of course, salting and plowing. Now, what's really terrible, if you can imagine, or what's extremely hazardous about this particular blizzard is when the blizzard conditions end with all this snow, we're going to possibly see some rain here next to the coast mixed in with snow, and then that's going to potentially freeze up, and then we're going to have some more snow piled on top of that. So it's really a mess, if you can imagine. Look, no matter where you are in the free world, you have a great Maine day. There are some businesses open. The roads are, once again, terrible, terrible. And those folks that are going to be leaving their businesses this afternoon and this evening, those that are going to get out and about are going to have some horrendous driving conditions to deal with. But there are folks at their work sites today taking care of business, and the ones that I rubbed elbows with at my coffee stop and my local stores to get a couple storm supplies were a very good cheer, only like Maine folk can be. Good folk right here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine. Look, you have a great Maine day, and no matter where you are in the free world, thanks again for sharing my videos and commenting on them, and I appreciate it. And you can find more videos at frankmargell.com. And no matter where you are, once again, in the free world, this is Frank Margell from northern New England, coastal southern Maine, March 13th, Tuesday, 2018, about 2 p.m., getting out and about with you and showing you the blizzard. Yes, the blizzard of March 12th and 13th of 2018. You take care and drive safe, and I pray till you all get home. This is Frank out.